Sample Lesson: Loyalty Programs to Skyrocket Skincare Sales.
Welcome to a sample lesson from Beauty Business Profits, Guide 1, Skyrocket Your Skincare Sales, the ultimate guide to growing your aesthetics business. Today's lesson covers a powerful strategy to increase client retention and grow your revenue: a loyalty program. This is just one of 18 proven techniques in the full Beauty Business Profits Guide number 1, Skyrocket Your Skin Sales Training Manual, created to help you maximize the potential of your skincare business and sell more skincare treatments.
What is a loyalty program?
A loyalty program is more than just a way to reward clients. It's an intentional approach to fostering long-term relationships with them. In the skincare and beauty industry, where trust and consistency are key, a loyalty program makes your clients feel valued and keeps them coming back for more treatments.
Benefits of a loyalty program.
Let's talk about the benefits a loyalty program brings to both your business and your clients. Loyalty programs encourage clients to schedule regular appointments, stay consistent with their skincare routine, and ultimately see better results. For you, this means more repeat business, a more predictable schedule, and overall client satisfaction. Clients love the idea of getting something extra for their loyalty. By offering discounts, free services, or exclusive perks, you're building a sense of appreciation and motivating clients to stick with you over time. This personal connection and added value makes it harder for them to be tempted by competitors.
Structuring your loyalty program.
Now let's break down how you can structure your loyalty program. There's different ways to design it based on your unique business model. Here are some ideas to get you started. Number 1, a points-based system. Clients earn points for every treatment or product they purchase. For instance, 10 points might equal $10 in discounts, or they can save the points to redeem a free service. Number 2, a tiered program. This involves different levels like silver, gold, and platinum, with rewards increasing at each tier. As clients reach higher levels based on spending or visit frequency, they can gain access to even better perks. Number 3, prepaid packages. Offer clients a chance to prepay for a series of treatments at a discounted rate. This keeps clients coming back and gives them a sense of commitment to their skincare routine. Consider your clients and your service offerings to decide which type of loyalty program would work best for you. If your clients are already regular visitors, a points-based or tiered system might encourage them to try new services. For newer clients, a prepaid package can help them in the habit of getting into the habit of regular treatments.
How to promote your loyalty program.
Even the best designed loyalty program won't make an impact if clients don't know about it. Here's how to effectively promote your loyalty program and make sure your clients understand its full value. During consultations, when new clients visit, introduce the loyalty program as part of your welcome process. Let them know how the program works and the benefits they'll receive by sticking with you. Through website and social media, highlight your loyalty program on your website and social media channels. Include a clear explanation of how rewards work and how clients can earn points. Email campaigns. Send email updates to remind clients of their points balance or announce any special loyalty promotions. An email that says, "You're only one appointment away from a free facial" can be a powerful motivator. Regularly remind your clients of the benefits they're earning by staying with you. Make it a part of your brand message that you value their loyalty and are excited to reward it.
Addressing common challenges.
It's normal to encounter a few challenges when implementing a loyalty program. Let's talk about some common ones and how to overcome them. Low participation. If clients aren't engaging with the program, double down on promoting it. Use client consultations, email reminders, and social media to keep the loyalty program top of mind. Lack of understanding. Some clients may be unsure of how the loyalty program works or how they're earning rewards. Take time during consultations to explain the point system and answer any questions. Additionally, include any frequently asked questions about your loyalty program on your website.
Measuring success and making adjustments.
Finally, let's talk about measuring the success of your loyalty program. Setting clear metrics will help you gauge the impact on your business and client retention. Here are some key metrics for success. Enrollment numbers. How many clients are signing up for the program? Repeat visits. Are clients coming back more often because of the loyalty rewards? Client retention rate. Are your loyalty program members returning at a higher rate than non-members? Client feedback. Gather feedback to see if the clients feel if the program adds value. After assessing the metrics, make any necessary adjustments. If your clients aren't responding as expected, consider adding additional rewards or simplifying the program.
Benefits recap and next steps.
Implementing a loyalty program is a surefire way to strengthen client relationships and build steady growth. This is just one strategy from Beauty Business Profits Guide 1, Skyrocket Your Skincare Sales. If you're ready to dive into the full guide and uncover all 18 strategies to elevate your aesthetics practice, then you're on the right path to transforming your business. Thank you for watching. Be sure to click on the link below to check out the full manual Beauty Business Profits Guide 1, Skyrocket Your Skincare Sales for more powerful strategies to grow your aesthetics business and increase treatment sales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.